Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Football View. Now let's talk about the ratings. I don't want to talk too much in this video. It's going to be a very short. I'm going to talk about the ratings. First of all, we'll start with Stephen Mukwala. I don't think he was non-existent. I don't think he had any shot on target. And if you want me to give him a rating, I'll give Stephen Mukwala 4/10. That is what I'll rate him. He gives some pass ball. He couldn't put himself. In fact, he received no service, and he tried to make some runs several times, but it didn't work out for him. Then as for George Mfuigi, he had a perfect opportunity to respond after Kotoko went 2-0 down. He dribbled everybody, the defender. He did well. Dribbled the defender, dribbled the goalkeeper, and had the opportunity to score an empty post, but he flipped and his leg didn't get the ball. So it was a shocking miss. Yes, I think it was a shocking miss. But if you want me to give Mfuigi rating in this match, I'll give him 5/10 because I think he, made some runs, put some energy in the match. Although he had the opportunity to score in the first few minutes of the game when he received a great cross, but he made the wrong decision to go with his leg instead of a flying header, and he missed the opportunity. So I'm giving him 5/10. Then we move over to Asante Kotoko. Wow, I think this is one of his worst. In fact, if not his worst performance, this is one of his worst performances at Kotoko. He literally did nothing in this game. Asante Kotoko did not do anything in this game. I'm telling you, he didn't do anything positive in this game. I can't tell you a single thing he did positively in this game. I'm giving him 3/10 in this particular game against Berekum Chelsea. It was a very, very shocking performance from Asante Kotoko. I know he's coming back from injury. He has had games to show that this is what he can do, but so far, nothing. Today was a disaster, a game for him to forget. 3/10. Then move out to Richmond Lamptey. I tweeted and said that Richmond Lamptey should be fine anytime he takes an unnecessary shot. He shoots an unnecessary shot, or he shoots unnecessarily. Richmond Lamptey should be fine. That is what I tweeted. I think he has lost his form. He has lost his charm. He has lost everything that makes him a very good player. I think he has to step up. If he has to salvage his Kotoko career, he has to step up. I think when they praise these players too much, it gets to their head. So Richmond Lamptey, if you want me to rate him in this match, I'll give him 5/10 because he made some passes and runs. He was like the only person that made progressive pass in this particular game. He was the only one that gave forward passes in this game. So I'm giving him 5/10 in this particular game. Then we go to Rocky Dramena. I didn't even know he was playing. I didn't know Rocky Dramena was playing. Seriously, I didn't know Rocky Dramena was playing. The last game, the away game he scored, I thought that would ignite him to start performing well in away games or when given the opportunity. He didn't have much to do. The midfield was totally empty. Colin Samayo, a Kotoko reject that couldn't even trap the ball at Kotoko, ran the midfield of Sheriff Mohammed and Dramena. So I'm giving Dramena 4/10 in my ratings. Dramena 4/10. Then we move over to Mohammed Sheriff. Mohammed Sheriff has not been himself this season. He's one of those players that dipped in form this season. I'm giving him 3/10. He has been very, very bad. If not 2/10, I'm giving him 3/10. He has been very, very bad this season, and he needs to step up. I'm honestly saying he needs to step up. He has made so many mistakes, even from the Kerala game to this game, as if he has forgotten how to play. You remember when we praised him under prosperity, how he performs well and all that, how versatile he is. He can play in the wings, he can play in the midfield, he can play in the defense and all that, but he has so far been horrible. So I'm giving him 3/10 in this game. John Tedeku, he couldn't gel well with the back. In fact, when he goes forward, it's as if he's lost. It was as if he's lost. From the left hand side when the first goal came, I think he's been the one to close down the person that made the cross, Colin Samayo. He didn't play pretty well today. So I'm giving him 3/10. I'm giving John Tedeku 3/10 because he didn't stop these crosses from coming in. So John Tedeku today 3/10. Then move on to Mohammed Hassan. One would expect that he will bring his experience to Kotoko team. This is one of the games he has to forget. A player like him with so much experience, this is a game that he should be performing well and giving his best, but it was a game for him to forget. Allowed crosses into the box considering all the experience he had. So I think Mohammed Sheriff and Mohammed Hassan this game, I'm giving him 3/10. 3/10. That's what I'm giving Mohammed Hassan in this game. Then as for Mohammed Sheriff, I'm also giving him 3/10. The center back pairing they are the same. Both of them are equally bad. Couldn't stop the Kolo Utara from scoring 2 goals that could have been prevented. 2 preventable goals. They allowed the player to get the header and score. So 2 of them 3/10. Augustine Ajepong, he tried to cross several times. He did well with Stephen Amankona. Stephen Amankona tried his best to cause Kotoko problem. He did not do anything. Stephen Amankona did not do anything. In fact, he doesn't do anything in games. He's just one of the players that have been overhyped by the media, the radio stations, the commentators were praising him as if he has scored 50 goals this season. So Stephen Amankona didn't do anything. So we have to thank Augustine Ajepong for that, even if we didn't expect Stephen Amankona to do anything. So I'm giving Augustine Ajepong 4/10. Then as for Danlad Ibrahim, wow, he will be my lowest rated player. I'm giving Danlad Ibrahim 2/10 because today was a shocking performance from him. Danlad Ibrahim, I'm giving him 2/10. He didn't play well today. He did not play well. After the first goal, the second goal, I thought he should have at least get his fingertips, because he had so much time to react. Should have at least get his fingertips to the ball and put it out for a corner. Then the third goal, you saw it for yourself. I don't have to say anything. You saw it for yourself, and you should have done better. Then as for the substitutes, I think they didn't have much time. And Erickson, as usual, he came in and just lost. I don't think the substitutes had much time to make an impact in the game. So I won't rate the substitutes because they didn't have much impact in the game. And Morrison came in and was lost. So if you want me to give him a rating, I give him 3. There's this Dixon Afokwa. I don't think he had much time in the game to impact. So that's it. That's my ratings. It was a very shocking performance. So that is all. Subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. I would like to know your own ratings. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Today has been a very disappointing day for Kotoko fans all over the world. Today's game was very bad. So tell me what you think. Subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.